Hello everyone, my name is Jess and welcome to my channel. Okay guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, hi, my name is Jess. So I've been excited to have you here today, and if you like home decor, DIYs and projects on a budget, please make sure that you are subscribed to this channel and that you hit the bell to get notified every single time that I'm going to be uploading new videos. Guys, for today's video, I want to share something a little bit different. I have so many ideas on mind on how you can create some Valentine's decor, but this time using these wooden like craft pieces that you can get at Dollar Tree. They come in different shapes and in like, oh my god, they come in different shapes and sizes. So I'm going to be using them to create a few projects in today's video, and I really hope that you like them, that you can get some ideas and inspiration to create your own projects. And these ideas are super easy and of course budget friendly that anyone can do. So if you like this video, please give me that big thumbs up. It really helps to support this channel. Let me know in the comments which of these projects is one of your favorites. I have social media pages and my webpage and my other channel. I'm going to be leaving you all of the links in the description box of this video and every single video, so make sure that you also check that. And yeah, let's get started.
For this project, you can use one cardboard in white color, and you need to cut 2 strips, and I cut mine about 4 inches wide. And you are also going to need these wooden hearts from Dollar Tree. I'm going to be using 2 for these projects, and what I want to do is like a heart wooden box or something like that. And what I'm going to do is to start adding glue on the edges of my wooden heart, and then I'm going to start sticking the cardboard around the wooden heart. Once you start doing this, it's going to be super easy. You just have to add glue on the edges to stick your cardboard strip, and you can also reinforce all of the edges to make sure that it's going to stay there and strong. I'm going to be adding 1 strip on each side of my wooden heart, and once I did the first side, this is how it's going to look. Now for the other part, for the other wooden heart, I want to make sure that it's going to stay strong, so I'm going to be using some Jenga blocks. You can add 2 Jenga blocks to make it a little bit like taller, and that is going to be perfect for these projects. It's going to be about 4 inches wide too, so it is the same size as the strips. I'm going to be adding a few here and there just to reinforce my wooden heart. I'm going to add some hot glue, and then I'm going to stick the other wooden heart. Just have to make sure that the hot glue dries well and that everything sticks well too. Once you have that part ready, you can paint your project any color you want. I decided to go with this really nice pink color from Waverly Shock Paint. I paint these, give it 2 coats of paint, and then let it dry. Once that part is ready, you can add some stickers. You can leave it like that. I decided to use my Cricut and make a decal that says love you. Stick that on one side of the wooden heart of my box. I think it looks super cute, and as a final touch, I'm going to be sticking a white bow on the top part of my heart. And that's all. This is how this project turned out. It's super easy to do. It's budget friendly, cost me less than $4 to make it, and I think it looks super cute and beautiful. It's something different that you can do on a budget. It's so nice and cute when you have your dining table and everything is set up, but sometimes that can be a little bit expensive because you have to add the plates and the napkins and the chargers. Well, this time I decided to make some chargers super inexpensive using these wooden hearts from Dollar Tree. First, you want to make sure that you cover those holes. You can use a wood filler if you are going to paint these with some kind of stain or wax. So that's what I did, and and then I'm going to be using my Waverly wax in antique color. I just add a little bit of water, and that is going to make it easier to apply, and it's going to look a little bit lighter. Once I have that part ready, I just have to let it dry, and I add all of the plates on the top of my new charger. It's perfect now for Valentine's. I love how it looks, and it cost me only $1.25 to make it because I already have the wax and the wood filler. This time I decided to use these beautiful wooden heart pieces that you can DIY with them, so many crafts and projects, and this specific wooden heart is perfect to make a napkin ring holder. So I decided to cover the hole with the wood filler, and then I'm going to be painting my heart in this beautiful pink color from Waverly Chalk Paint, and then I'm going to let this dry with my heat tool that works amazing. The link is going to be in the description box, and you can add a nice touch by sanding all of the edges of the wooden heart to make it have a little bit more of dimension. Okay, the last step is going to be adding your napkin in this ring holder. You are going to take your napkin and you want to kind of like pinch that napkin in the center. And then I'm just going to put all of that inside of the hole that this heart has. And that's all. You can set up these on your dining table, close to the charger, close to all of the plates, and it's going to look just so beautiful. It's a nice idea that anyone can do. And with this package from Dollar Tree, you can actually do 8 of these ring napkin holders. For the next project, I'm going to be working with this beautiful wooden heart that I got last year from Dollar Tree, and I really like it, and I think it's so perfect to make signs, but also can be really cool to make a wreath with it. So I decided to use this pink color from Waverly Chalk Paint and paint 3 parts of my wooden heart. And then one of the strips is going to be with another color. I decided to use some wax in antique color and then paint it, and just use a napkin to remove any excess of wax. Then you can maybe paint, handwrite, or add a sticker or a decal like me that I did with my Cricut that says welcome home. I did it in 2 different colors, black and then the word home in white color, and I stick one on each strip. And then on the top, I think it can look super cool if you add some flowers or like a bow. I was looking on my boxes and I found these already made like bow with some greenery and flowers that I think can look so beautiful for this wreath. So I decided to add them on the top. I put all of these together with some hot glue and I stick that on the top of my wooden heart. Once that was done, this is how my project looks. You can add these to a wall, to a window, to your front door like I'm going to be doing, and it's going to look super beautiful. For this project, you can use one of these wooden hearts from Dollar Tree, but this time I think I'm going to be using this sign from Dollar Tree too, just because it's a little bit thicker and it's going to be a little bit better for this project. Or you can use 2 wooden hearts, that is going to work too. I'm going to be covering those holes. You can use sparkling wood filler, or you can also use hot glue. I do that a lot and it works super nice. So once I did that, I'm going to be painting my wooden heart with the same pink color from Waverly chalk paint, and then I'm going to let this dry. I want to make a riser, so for the bottom part, for the legs, I'm going to be using these nice dice cubes that you can get at Dollar Tree in the toy section. I'm going to be using 3 for this project, and I'm going to be painting them with 2 coats of Waverly chalk paint in white color. And then I'm going to dry everything with my heat tool. Like I said, I use this tool, oh my god, in every single project when I'm painting, and I really love it. So I highly recommend these. In the description you can check the link of this product. Once these cubes are dry, you can add some hot glue and you can stick them on the bottom part of this heart. Once you're done, this is how this project turned out. You can add a candle, some flowers, and so many decorations, and you can set up these on your entry table, on your dining table, on the coffee table, on your kitchen like I did, and it's going to look so pretty, and it's just a nice and cute touch to add for Valentine's. Okay, for this next project, I decided to do something a little bit different. I'm going to be using the same wooden heart from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to cover those holes with some hot glue. Now I'm going to let the hot glue dry, and I'm going to start painting my wooden heart with some chalk paint in white color. Now that the hot glue is dry, you can use a knife and kind of like cut the excess of hot glue, and it's going to look just so perfect. It's going to cover those holes, and it's going to look like they were never there. And then I'm going to dry everything with the heat tool. Next, I want to use some chalk paint in black color, and I'm going to be using a brush, but like the wooden stick, not the brush. And I'm going to start making so many dots on my wooden heart. It's going to look super cute, and it's so easy to make. Now that I have that, I think it looks super cool. I decided to make like a tray from this wooden heart. So I'm going to be making 2 small handles. I'm going to be using some Jenga blocks and some wooden cubes from Dollar Tree. And I'm going to be sticking 2 Jenga blocks together, and then I'm going to add 2 wooden cubes on the bottom part. And that way I'm going to make like these super cool handles. They're super easy to make. Now, to give it some kind of contrast and to make my project look like super high-end, I'm going to be painting these handles with some gold paint color, and then I'm going to let them dry. Once they're dry, I'm going to stick those 2 handles on my tray, and that's all. Super easy and nice project that anyone can do. It was so much fun. You can add so many decorations on the top. I think it's super cute and original, and I hope that you like it. I hope that you like all of the projects that I did in today's video, and if you like them, please give me that big thumbs up. It really helps to support this channel. These ideas are super easy that anyone can do using these wooden hearts from Dollar Tree. So I hope that you like them. Let me know in the comments which of these projects was your favorite, and make sure that you're subscribed to this channel, that you hit the bell, and that you share this video with friends and family. Thank you so much for all the love and support, and remember to follow me on all my social media pages, my webpage jazomy.com, and my other channel. Thank you so much again for all the love and support, and see you in my next video. Bye guys.